Most people in this category spend weeks researching and still end up with regret. Not because they made the wrong choice, because nobody told them what actually matters. This review is going to be different. I'm going to tell you the things most reviewers skip. You have probably read the spec sheets. You have seen the star ratings, and you are still not sure. That uncertainty is not a you problem. It is a signal that most reviews are written by people who spent 45 minutes with a product, not 45 days. The question you're really asking is not what this product does. The question is whether it is going to actually change anything for you. That is the question I am going to answer. I tracked this product through multiple price cycles before sitting down to record this. I compared it against the alternatives that serious buyers in this category actually consider. And I looked at what happens after the purchase, not just before. The Instant Pot 8-quart Whisper Quiet 9-IN-1 electric pressure cooker, slow rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker, warmer and sterilizer. App with over 800 recipes, stainless steel, Duo Plus earns its place by doing something specific very well. That something starts with brand. Visit the Instant Pot store. What that means in your day-to-day is that you stop compensating for what your last product got wrong. The second thing worth paying attention to is about this item 9 cooking functions: pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, sous vide, make rice, yogurt, cake, or simply keep your meal warm, all in one appliance with intuitive dial control. Guided cooking. An angled control panel with a clear message display and cooking progress bar, paired with 25 recipe presets and step-by-step instructions, makes every meal foolproof. Safe, easy, and silent steam release. Whisper Quiet technology minimizes noise for a peaceful kitchen, while the perfectly placed one-touch steam release button lets you release steam effortlessly and safely. Good food done faster. Cook up to 70% faster compared to slow cooking methods. Sturdy anti-spin pot. Stainless steel 18/8 pot, with a tri-ply bottom that stays in place for seamless sautéing. Family-sized capacity. The 8-quart capacity is perfect for up to 8 servings. Ideal for larger families, gatherings, meal prep, and batch cooking. Quick cleanup. No more fighting about who has to do the dishes. The dishwasher-safe lid and inner pot make cleanup a breeze. Power-packed performance. 1200 watts. 120 volts 60 Hz. UL and ULC listed proven peace of mind. Features over 10 safety mechanisms, including overheat protection, an easy seal safety lid lock, and more to keep cooking worry-free. A little extra. Includes a stainless steel steam rack with handles and 2 extra sealing rings to keep you ready for anything. Show more. See more product details. Not in a test environment. In the situations where you actually need it to perform. That difference shows up in ways that are hard to quantify on a spec sheet. The third element is no fuss, no noise, just good food. The Duotom Plus makes it easy with smart programs, step-by-step guides, and a steam release that knows how to If you have ever replaced something ahead of schedule because it stopped holding up, you already understand why this matters more than any single feature. The feedback pattern on this model is unusual in one specific way. Buyers who come in skeptical end up leaving the same reviews as the people who were already excited. That kind of convergence across different buyer types is not something you see often. It tells you something real about consistency of experience. There's one limitation I want you to know before you decide. Product information. Features and specs. Special features: electric stovetop compatible, wattage 1200 watts. Control method: app operation. Mode: automatic voltage, 120 volts. Controller type: push button. Closure type: buckle. Measurements: capacity 8 quarts. Item dimensions: DXWX, H15, DX15, WX14. H item weight 19.7 pounds. Materials and care: material stainless steel. Finish type: chrome. Is the item dishwasher safe? Yes. Feedback. Would you like to tell us about a lower price? Instant Pot 8-quart Whisper Quiet 9-IN-1 electric pressure cooker, slow rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker, warmer and sterilizer. App with over 800 recipes, stainless steel, Duo Plus share. Found a lower price? Let us know. Although we can't match every price reported, we'll use your feedback to ensure that our prices remain comp. Not everyone will weigh that the same way, and I understand that. If that specific thing is a deal breaker for your situation, I respect that completely. But for the majority of buyers who are looking at this product, the overall trade-off still lands clearly on the right side. Pricing on this model has not been stable. I have watched it move enough times that I would not trust any number I write here today. The figure you see right now is not what I saw a month ago, and it is probably not what you will see in another month. Sometimes that movement is upward. Sometimes it is a significant discount. The only way to know which side you are on right now is to check the live link. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.